All right, so oral comm is officially over. Yay! Huh? So it was just like yesterday when we first met. But now it's finally over and done, which means that it just goes to show that life or your pain is temporary and your being a student is temporary also. Your pain is temporary. So I want to give unsolicited advice because I know usong-uso ang you only live once nowadays, but I don't advise you to embrace that concept. Because if you do, baka hindi na kayo pumasok, uminom na lang kayo, mag-uno na lang kayo 24/7, mag-Robinsons na lang kayo, okay? Always remember that your moment as a student is just temporary. And while you have this time, you have to maximize it. I-maximize nyo because this is the time that it's okay for you to commit mistakes. Once you went outside school, especially after college, room for errors should be limited only. So, while you are in your training ground, tell yourself that it's okay to commit mistakes. Okay? There are times na hindi nyo naintindihan kung ano mga pinaggagawa ng mga teachers ninyo, pinaggagawa namin. You have to remember that you have to trust the process. Okay? And you have to trust that we have our ultimate God, and you have to trust Him. And then yung mga little improvement ninyo, it matters. Hindi nyo alam, later on, you will be the next mayor of Santa Barbara. Next CEO of Ruruxin. Uy, why did you laugh? It's a lucrative profession. Okay? Ha? Anto?
Mas malaki ng 858.
Gusto nyo kasi 858 na ayaw nyo ng Ruruxin. Okay, I am praying and I am hoping that I will still handle this class in EAPP. That's from the bottom of my heart. Because I find this class as the sweetest class in this school year. Meron syempre kanya-kanya silang adjective, pero kayo talaga yung parang sweet. Totoo ba yun? Parang labas. Hindi, parang kasi kayo lang yung kumanta sa akin nung Teacher's Day. Parang kayo lang yung malambing na, uy, ang ganda mo ngayon, sir. Yeah. And last but definitely not the least, hopefully, all the things that you learn from this subject, you will apply it in real world because communication is a life skill. Okay? You have to coexist with your classmates, with your teachers, more so in the outside world. And with that, I hope to see you. If not in second sem, I hope to see you in outside world or in real world at your best version. Okay? Bye. Bye.